Hello, everybody. Welcome to ComSkills today. I'm Mr. Mickey, your teacher, and I will be showing you what you're doing for your Thursday activity. So, if you go in your Google Classroom under week 4, you can get there by going to classwork, you can get there by going here, or you could even see it in the stream. It's the most recent thing that we put. So, once you get in there, you will see that there are going to be 3 different things you're working on today. One is inference, 2, context clues, and 3, it's figurative language. So I want you to realize when you read the directions here that you're going to be writing your answers in this purple box. Okay? You're going to be reading about these 3 different things, and we're going to get some practice with them in all of the yellow boxes here. We also have some nice posters for you to look at about each reading and writing tool. Okay. And here's a nice big poster with all the different figurative language tools. So notice with each one has the directions with it, and then it has the problems with it. So inferencing has 5 questions to answer. And that simply says, where am I? So you need to use the text and background knowledge to infer where this person is. For example, I sat on the bench while Mother and Punch went into the room. I was a little worried about Punch, but I knew that he would get good care. As I waited, I watched a tiny puppy wander toward the lady with a cat in a crate. The lady at the desk talked to a man who was buying medicine. So we can look at different text words in here that are going to help us. So things like punch, which almost to me sounds like a pet. Getting good care. So maybe that pet is being taken care of. I also see another lady waiting with a cat in a crate. And someone else is buying medicine. So all of those are key parts to this reading. So if I need to guess where this person is, I'm going to say they are at a veterinarian clinic. So I would be putting up in your answer key the answer. Totally spelled it wrong there. There we go. Veterinary clinic. Okay, or an animal doctor or something along that lines. Okay. So I'm just going to go back so we don't ruin that. All right. So now you're going to go to 2, 3, 4, 5, and just guessing where the person is. And you're doing that because you're making inferences, okay, or good guesses with the clues that you're given. Speaking of clues, here's context clues. There's different ways, as you can see on the left, to help you find what a word means that maybe if you don't know. So I want you to look at these 3 sentences, and in each sentence there's a word that you may not know. And I want you to use the other words within the sentence to help you take a good, educated guess as to what that word means. And again, you can just put the word meaning right here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And then our last skill that we're looking at is our figurative language. These guys are all different types of figurative language. Okay? All the different colorful boxes. So it gives you not just an example for each one, but what the actual definition is for them. Okay? And what I did was I took 4 of those: a simile, a hyperbole, a personification, and alliteration. And I gave you each examples from the story 7th Grade by Gary Soto. And so what I wanted you to do is pick one of these 4 figurative language tools. Okay. Look at the examples here. So if you want to do personification, you can look at that example, but you can also look up here as to what it is. Okay, personification. This poster sings to me. So you're giving human characteristics to animals or objects. So again, you only have to pick one tool out of these four, and then you're going to write your own whatever it is. But here's the thing, we need to have the word fall in there, as in fall, the season, fall, which it is the first day of fall today, which is kind of crazy. So when you get that and you figure out which one you use, you're simply going to just put whatever the tool is, so simile or personification or whatever it is, and then you can go ahead and write your sentence out. Okay. I hope that helps you out with everything. And again, all you got to do is just answer these 9 things right here in the answer key, and I'll be taking a look at that. If you have questions, feel free. Otherwise, good luck, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.